I received a question about New Outlook's calendar. How do you drag an email to your calendar? You used to be able to do it in Classic, so let me show you how you can do it in New Outlook. I already have an email checked here, and under the Home tab, you can click on the meeting and it will pop open. Give it time to open. A couple things I wanted to point out to you is if you are managing multiple mailboxes, make sure you take a look and make sure you're on the right calendar just to do that. If there's any names in the invitee field, delete it. Because what would happen is it's going to send that meeting planner to the person who is listed there. So make sure you delete that and whatever notes you want to capture and hit save. The second option is if you notice up here at the top right corner, you're going to see an icon that says My Day. It's a calendar with a check mark. It's really part of the To-Do app. If I click on it, again, it's going to open up automatically to the To-Do app. If you have any tasks, it will give you a snapshot here. I want to make sure you see this little drop down here. Again, if you're managing multiple accounts, you can choose which calendar and what task items you want to look at. Go ahead and click on the calendar tab and take your message. Make sure you drag it to where it says add as an event. Hope this helped. Now go work your magic.